Welcome to the Build Mystery. Today, we're exploring 17 groundbreaking innovations that are redefining how we build and protect our structures. Fluid-applied roofing creates seamless, long-lasting protection for modern buildings. Next, ThermaSteel panels combine steel, concrete, and insulation into a single high-performance wall system. And finally, AquaCell delivers an underground stormwater solution that prevents flooding while maximizing space efficiency. These are precision-engineered technologies that save time, improve safety, and push the limits of what's possible. If you want to stay ahead of the latest construction tech, hit that subscribe button now, give this video a like, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the innovations we're about to uncover. Fluid-applied roofing is a next-generation roofing system engineered by Fluid Applied Roofing to protect buildings at the highest level. Instead of using sheets or panels, a liquid membrane is sprayed or rolled directly onto the roof where it spreads evenly, penetrates cracks, seals seams, and cures into one solid, seamless surface that blocks water, resists UV radiation, and withstands extreme temperature changes, while adapting to complex roof shapes and installing quickly without removing the existing roof. This technology extends structural life, reduces downtime, and delivers long-term performance with zero weak points, making it a powerful solution for buildings that demand absolute reliability. The ThermaSteel Panel is an advanced structural wall and roof system engineered by ThermaSteel Inc., built to redefine strength and efficiency in construction. It combines high-performance steel framing with rigid insulation and a reinforced concrete core that locks in energy savings, eliminates thermal bridges, and delivers unmatched structural integrity, creating panels that are lighter, stronger, and more energy efficient than traditional methods, while installing faster and reducing material waste. This is precision-manufactured building technology that boosts insulation, enhances durability, and transforms how we build smarter, more resilient structures with performance you can measure. The AquaCell system is a high-performance underground stormwater management solution engineered by Waven, built to control, store, and release rainwater with precision. It uses interlocking, high-strength chambers that form a vast void space beneath the surface, capturing runoff and reducing flood risk while relieving stress on traditional drainage systems. And during installation, the modular units connect quickly, lock securely, and stack tightly to shape a custom detention or infiltration basin, all with minimal excavation and extraordinary load-bearing capacity under roads and buildings. This is engineered water control, moving massive volumes with simple, robust technology that protects infrastructure and future-proof cities against extreme weather. The QuietCool RM WHF-4.0-PL is a powerful whole-house attic fan engineered by QuietCool Systems to deliver massive airflow with low power, designed to pull hot air out of your attic and flood your home with cool outside air. This rooftop-mounted unit uses precision-balanced blades and a high-efficiency motor to move thousands of cubic feet per minute, drastically lowering indoor temperatures, reducing HVAC load, and cutting energy costs, all while operating quietly and reliably, even under continuous use. This isn't just ventilation, it's engineered airflow performance that transforms heat into comfort with efficiency you can feel. Superior Walls is a factory-built foundation wall system engineered by Superior Walls of America to revolutionize below-grade construction. Each panel is precision-manufactured with high-strength concrete, continuous insulation, and embedded steel reinforcement, then delivered and installed as a complete wall unit that locks together with tight tolerances, eliminating on-site formwork, reducing waste, and accelerating build schedules while creating a robust, moisture-resistant foundation that resists soil pressure and improves energy efficiency. This is not traditional poured concrete. It's a pre-engineered structural system built for strength, speed, and long-term performance. The Altumis PlayWood Connector is a high-performance structural fastening system engineered by Altimus to join timber with precision and strength. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, it locks wooden beams and panels together securely without the need for complex hardware, while allowing fast, repeatable assembly on-site, reducing labor and error, and maintaining structural integrity under heavy loads, vibrations, and environmental stress. This isn't just a connector, it's engineered timber performance that simplifies construction while maximizing safety and long-term durability. The magnetic Altumis system from Altumis is a revolutionary magnetic connector engineered to transform how metal and structural components join, using powerful permanent magnets embedded in precision machined housings that align, hold, and secure parts instantly without welding, bolts, or clamps. As two pieces approach, the magnetic field snaps them into perfect position, locking them with consistent force and eliminating alignment guesswork, while the durable design resists vibration, corrosion, and fatigue in demanding environments. This isn't just fastening, it's engineered magnetic performance that accelerates assembly, improves accuracy, and redefines what a connection can do. The Tamco Titan XT is a next-generation roofing shingle engineered by Tamco Building Products to deliver unmatched strength, durability, and weather performance. It combines a rugged fiberglass base with advanced polymer-modified asphalt and reinforced ceramic granules, creating a shingle that resists hail impact, high winds, and thermal cycling, while locking tightly to the roof deck, shedding water and standing up to decades of exposure. And with its precision cut tabs and consistent thickness, installation is faster, straighter, and more reliable. This is not ordinary roofing. It's engineered surface armor built to protect your home with relentless performance and long-term resilience. The Xfix wood connector is an advanced metal-free structural joining system engineered by Xfix Holzverbinder GmbH to revolutionize timber construction. It consists of precision dovetail, wedge-shaped wood-to-wood connectors that fit into pre-milled slots in cross-laminated timber, pulling panels tightly together and locking them securely just by driving them in, eliminating screws, plates, and complicated hardware, while accelerating assembly, reducing waste, and maintaining the natural integrity of the wood. And because the connection is continuous and positive locking, it delivers strength and rigidity that outperforms conventional fasteners. This is engineered timber joining that makes large-scale wood construction faster, cleaner, and stronger. The Timberline solar roofing system from GAF Energy, offered by American home contractors, is a breakthrough integrated solar roof that combines energy generation and protective roofing into one seamless solution. Instead of bulky panels mounted above traditional shingles, Timberline Solar embeds nailable photovoltaic shingles directly into the roof, installed just like regular roofing material with a nail gun, creating a sleek, low-profile surface that produces clean electricity while shedding water and protecting your home. With industry-leading durability ratings, a unified warranty for both roof and solar, and installation that's faster and simpler than conventional systems. This is not just solar added to a roof. It's a fully engineered energy-producing roof built for real-world performance. The Telbeam Loft Conversion System is an innovative structural solution from Telbeam Limited, engineered to transform unused roof space into habitable accommodation without heavy steel beams or invasive construction. Invented in the UK and centered around lightweight telescopic aluminum beams, it spans from outside wall to outside wall, supporting both the existing roof load and the new floor load, eliminating the need for internal props or timber joists, preserving headroom and accelerating installation with minimal disruption, while fitting most roof pitches and truss types, and enabling a quick, clean conversion that turns attic space into real living areas. This isn't a traditional renovation, it's engineered loft transformation, built for strength, efficiency, and smarter space. The Truss Screw Guide System from Simpson Strong Tie Australia is an engineered installation solution built to make structural truss connections stronger, faster, and more precise. At its core are strong drive, SDWC truss screws. Fully threaded, high-strength fasteners designed to pull roof trusses and rafters into the top plates of walls with secure engagement along the full length of the screw, and tested for uplift and lateral loads, and the accompanying metal guide ensures every screw goes in at the correct angle for optimal performance, reducing errors and speeding installation on site while improving job safety by allowing work from inside the structure without complex hardware, making this not just a fastening tool but a reliable structural connection system for modern timber framing. The Mr. Peck Systems. Rooftop snow melt solution from Mr. Peck Systems is an engineered hydronic snow melt system built to eliminate snow and ice on roofs, walkways, and outdoor surfaces by circulating warm water through durable pecks of tubing buried beneath the surface, generating consistent heat that melts snow on contact and prevents dangerous buildup. This high-performance system uses flexible, kink-resistant tubing with automatic temperature and moisture controls to activate only when needed, creating safe, slip-free areas without salt or shoveling, reducing wear on paving and roofing materials, and cutting long-term maintenance, making it a smart, reliable approach to winter weather management that transforms cold roofs into clear, usable space. The Stylum outdoor equipment system from Stylum GmbH is a precision-designed range of playground, fitness, and urban infrastructure products engineered to elevate public spaces with both form and function. Crafted mainly from high-grade stainless steel, rubber granulate, and sustainable materials, these play structures, fitness stations, and impact-safe surfaces are built to endure heavy use in harsh weather while delivering smooth, natural forms that invite movement, interaction, and community. And every piece is tested and certified for safety and durability, reducing maintenance and maximizing lifespan. This is not ordinary outdoor furniture. It's engineered public space performance that blends strength, safety, and design into environments people want to use. The Amvic Amdeck is an advanced structural floor system engineered by Amvic Building System, designed to deliver strength, insulation, and speed in one component. It combines high-density EPS insulation with engineered steel and concrete biplanar reinforcement to create a lightweight yet extraordinarily rigid floor slab that reduces thermal bridging and dramatically improves energy performance, while the integrated design accelerates installation by eliminating traditional joists and bulky formwork, cutting labor and waste, and creating a floor that resists deflection, vibration, fire, and moisture. This isn't just flooring, it's an engineered structural platform built for durability, efficiency, and next-generation building performance. The Katukeskis Roof Renovation Service from Katukeskis Legacy is a professional roofing transformation solution engineered to restore and upgrade residential roofs with unmatched precision and care. With over 25 years of experience and more than 17,000 projects completed, their experts assess your roof's condition, plan the restoration with durable, climate-tested materials, and then replace or repair the entire system efficiently, improving water protection, ventilation, and energy performance while enhancing curb appeal. And every job comes with a fixed quote, skilled in-house installers and warranties on both workmanship and materials, making this not just a repair but a long-term investment in your home's safety and value. The Hydrotech Drainage Channel is a precision-engineered surface water management system built to outperform traditional excavation methods, manufactured in heavy-duty cast iron, reinforced concrete, or aluminum. These linear channels sit flush at the surface and capture rainwater instantly, directing it away from pavements, parking areas, and infrastructure without deep trenches or massive earth moving. And the modular design lets crews lay interconnected sections quickly, connect vertical outlets to underground pipes, and handle high traffic loads up to Class F900 while minimizing disruption and excavation compared to digging with an excavator. This isn't just digging a ditch, it's engineered stormwater control that solves water problems faster, cleaner, and with long-term performance you can rely on. From advanced roofing and structural panels to cutting-edge water management, These technologies are transforming the way we build and protect our world. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see more of the latest innovations in construction, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Explore the links in the description to learn more about each product and see the future of engineering in action. The future of building starts here. This is the Build Mystery.